Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change servers in Lands of Jail so you can switch regions or start fresh on Nuke 1. Alright, so let's get into it. First off, if you haven't finished the tutorial yet, you'll need to complete it before you can access the settings. And once you've done that, look at the top left corner of your main screen and tap on your Warden profile. Inside your profile, you want to go to Settings, then find the option called Character Management. This is where you can control which server you're currently playing on. Right now, there are about 276 servers in total. So you can create up to 2 characters per server and a maximum of 10 characters overall. And to change servers, just simply select the one you want. For example, 292, tap on it, and keep in mind that your progress won't carry over since each server has its own save data. And that's it. You've successfully switched servers in Lands of Jail. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!